Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a basic yellow Jeep that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x10 chassis. I want to flip this over. Take a set of 2x2 plate with double bearing. I'm going to place these right in these 2x2 openings and a pair of 1x6 plates right here. I want to fill in the bottom portion of our chassis. I want to flip this back over. Let's take a pair of 1x2 plates, stack these on top of one another. I'm going to place this right inside in this area, followed by a 1x4 plate, place that there, and a set of 1x2 tiles. Now I'm going to take a 1x4 modified plate with two studs, place a set of plates on top of the studs as shown. And then I'm going to place this right here. Then a pair of 2x4 by 2/3 mud guard. Place these above our bearings. And right next to our 1x2 plate assembly, a 2x2 by 2 seat. Set that in there. And a pair of 1x2 brick with inverted arch. Place these right in here. This is going to form up the opening for the Jeep. Right in this area. A pair of 1x2 by 2 corner plates and a 1x4 plate right here. In order to steer the car, a 1x2 steering wheel console right in that area, right on top of the 1x2 plates. Then a set of 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plates. Place these on both ends, right in this 2x2 opening. Now for our rear bumper, I'm going to start with a 1x4 flat tile. I'm going to take a set of 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plates. Place these as shown. This is going to be our bumper right here. Right in the middle, 1x2 flat tile and a set of round transparent red 1x1 flat tiles for rear tail lights. And I'm going to place this right on this angular plate as shown. Let's finish up the rear with a set of 1x4 plates and a pair of 1x4 flat tiles. I'm going to have these go over the bricks with inverted arch. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 plate with bearing. I'm going to place this right underneath a 1x4 flat tile. That's going to be placed to attach our spare tire. Place this right in this area. Now I want to focus my attention on the front bumper and grille. We're going to start with a 1x4 flat tile. Take a set of 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plates. Place these as shown. Right in the middle, a 1x2 radiator grille and a set of transparent clear round 1x1 flat tile for headlights. We're going to stick this right on the face of our angular plate. For the top of our hood, a left and right hand 2x3 wedge plates. Place these right here as shown. And I'm going to place a 2x3 flat tile right on top. Now if you choose, you could just leave that off. And right in these two areas, a set of 1x1 flat tiles. And for a windscreen, a handrail with a 1x2 plate. Place that right there. For tires, I'm going to take a small rim and a small tire. I'm going to place the rim inside the tire. Now I want to make 5 of these. I'm going to place this one right here. And I'm going to place the remaining 4 tires right on the bearing plates. Yes, I know this Jeep's a little long. That makes a good base for future vehicles.